guests, members of the media, mga kasamahan ko sa New San Jose Builders, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. We welcome you to the formal launch, actually the first formal campaign launch of New San Jose Builders ever.
It's mine.
Ano po ba itong ila-launch natin sa gabing ito? Ito po ay yung brand ng New San Jose Builders. And we will later come to the conclusion that it's yes to San Jose. Sample nga, mga kasama. Yes to San Jose.
Yes to San Jose.
Ano po ba ang New San Jose Builders? New San Jose Builders started as a contractor sometime in the 80s. It gradually transformed itself into a developer. First of subdivision, low-cost housing, then into mid-rise buildings, and eventually into high-rise. In high-rise, it started in Quezon City, then nakarating po ito ng Makati at nakarating ng Fort Bonifacio. That basically is San Jose Builders, kung paano siya naging developer ng condominium. Ano po ang sikreto ni New San Jose Builders? Being a contractor, nakakagawa po ang New San Jose Builders ng mga buildings sa murang cost. And these lower costs are then passed on to the buyers in terms of lower prices. Later on, we'll be showing you the audiovisual presentations about New San Jose Builders. Kayo po ba ay nakarinig na ng builder developers na nakapag-produce ng CPAs? Siguro po, hindi pa. Dahil ang builders developers, nakakasilaw po yung liwanag. Nasisilaw po ba kayo? Ang builder developers, karamihan po dyan, architects, engineers. Paano po nakapag-produce ng CPAs? Ang New San Jose Builders, being contractor, developer, has produced CPAs. Paano? Ang mga buildings po dito ay may CPA. Ito po ang CPAs ay naipoprovide sa lahat ng proyekto ng New San Jose Builders. C stands for comfort. Lahat po ng buildings ng New San Jose Builders, lahat po ng units ay comfortable. Because of efficient design, efficient layout, at pinaganda pa ang design ng aming mga architects. P, prices, which is much lower than others. At dito po, nasabi ko na ito ay passed on to the buyers in terms of lower prices. A, accessible sites. Lahat po ng proyekto ng New San Jose Builders ay accessible. Lahat po nasa mga main thoroughfares, very near the facilities like offices, schools, churches, and other amenities.